So just landed here in the Philippines. Wonderful, excellent flight. It's quite a few hours, but it was great. There was a volcano that took place a while back, and I felt instantly when I got to this country how much these people are family. And my Filipino virtual assistants, they are treating me like family, and to feel their kindness and their awesomeness and to see what they've done to help those that have been affected from the volcano has been just, it's incredible to feel, it's incredible to see. They are wonderful, wonderful, wonderful people. And at Agency VA, we are such a family. And I'm excited to show you guys through this adventure all the cool stuff that our Agency VA family has done and will continue to do here in the Philippines.